making ever better motorsports-bred cars. The GR factory was created with the passion of master driver Morizo. The goal is to use cars that have won motorsports competitions as inspiration for commercial vehicles. Morizo was involved in developing the GR Yaris, GR Corolla, and LBX Morizo RR, which were produced in the GR factory. In an extreme motorsports environment, these cars were damaged and repaired over and over with agility. Toyota brings back its sports car creations. GR Factory is particular about its work. Projects include WRC, the Japanese Rally Championship, and the Super Taikyu Endurance Race Series. GR Factory also uses its unique technologies to create cars reflecting development test assessments. There is a focus on high-rigidity auto bodies and high-precision suspension. GR Factory makes cars with the body, assembly, and inspection processes. First, items including floor panels and both side members that make up the bodies are welded and assembled. To create more high-rigidity bodies, several hundred more spot weldings are performed than normal vehicles. It is employed for components requiring enhanced bonding for body rigidity improvement. The process uses motorsports vehicle development feedback from WRC. Robots are used in the process with precision. Moreover, structural adhesives are applied along a length 10 meters longer than that for normal Yaris. High-precision bodies equivalent to those of racing cars can be realized. Spot welding is used extensively, and the overall results are robust. Light aluminum engine hoods and the right and left doors are added to the bodies. They make the body strong despite their low weights. Rally 2 bodies that play dynamic roles in WRC are also made here. When the body process has been completed, it is time to move on to the assembly process after painting. GR Factory transports vehicles in AGV, and no belt conveyors are used. Changes in the factory layouts and production quantity are easy because of this. The production system is suitable for a number of different sports cars produced in low numbers. This is the process for loading engines into bodies after interior and exterior assembly has been completed. GR Factory uses three-dimensional data for bodies and suspension part information measured in advance. The analysis system calculates the most suited combination of bodies and parts. This system allows cars to be created with median values extremely close to those in the ideal blueprint. This is realized by mutually correcting tiny variations in bodies and suspensions. GR Factory uses its own unique methods. After all interior and exterior parts have been assembled, the bodies and suspension system are finished with careful placement from above. For the final inspection process, GR Factory focuses on highly precise outcomes and superior quality control suitable for sports cars. There is normally only a single session of runout for alignment measurement, but GR Factory has 3, reflecting strict standards for alignment adjustments. After completion of the measurement, it is time for course test runs. GR Factory inspects every individual vehicle it makes, instead of employing sampling inspection normally used. Cars are driven 1.5 laps at the maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour over a roughly 3-kilometer course. Inspectors who are required to pass regular monthly examinations carefully assess and check 14 inspection items under the supervision of professional drivers. These items include vehicle behaviors, handling, and steering responses. Making ever better motorsports-bred cars. Through feedback, car creation at GR Factory continues to forge ahead. There is no end to the GR car production journey. GR truly believes that its endless challenges and developments will make customers smile.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.